Hi guys, Isaac Toups here with Spiceology. I'm the chef, owner, and restaurateur of Toups Meadery in beautiful New Orleans. Today we're cooking the holiday special. We are cooking crawfish cornbread dressing. I've got my crawfish right here, and we're doing some smoked turkey legs because I like my turkey smoked. The trick to peeling crawfish is you break open the head like yay. Always keep the heads and always give the heads a good smash for stock. Smash the heads. And then you take around the carapace, peel the first layer off, pinch the bottom from underneath, and pull it right out. Easy peasy, crawfish squeezy. Crawfish shells go in the pot, meat goes in a separate container for later use. And to clean the claws, because there's good claw meat, if the claws are a good size, you simply take it, put it in your mouth, crack it, and now you have a little tiny crawfish claw. And now we have our beautiful crawfish tails, and we have our crawfish bodies, and we're gonna turn that into crawfish stock. You always wanna peel your carrots because carrot peelings are bitter and can affect your stock, especially when a delicate stock like crawfish stock is being made. We're just a rough chop our mirepoix. Using mirepoix for stock, but later on we're gonna use Trinity for the actual dish. The difference being we sub out the bell pepper for carrots in the Trinity, because bell peppers grow better than carrots in the South. Now for the sake of the stock, we're not gonna cut our vegetables up very much since we're just gonna remove them later. So you don't need to get fancy. Just kind of quarter your onions and then just kind of rough chop the rest of your vegetables. Nothing fancy, nothing schmancy. You take your garlic, just take a whole clove, and you just, boom, all peeled, all ready to rock. And you're gonna give each one of these just kind of a pop. Again, this is all coming out, so you can even throw the leaves in, won't affect anything. And we're gonna put that on the fire. How to process garlic. Pretty simple. Grab yourself a large cleaver, which I like, put it right over the top, give it a smash, separate your garlic cloves from the dust. We'll use those. And then you take each individual piece and you give it a pop, not all the way. You don't wanna smash it too much yet. You peel all the excess off and you have a peeled garlic clove. All right, now to mince the actual garlic is a very good trick. You very gently put this cleaver over the garlic clove, very gently, and it's already minced. Look at that, magic. All right, we're gonna take our garlic, put it in our bowl, take our Thunderdust, and just with your hands, kind of make a little rub mixture. So now we got garlic and Thunderdust ready to rock. We're gonna take our turkey legs, separate cutting board obviously, and we're gonna score them. Score them twice on each side. We're gonna flip it and not score it in the same place. We're not trying to make a ring here. We're just gonna expose some of the meat to the smoke and the juice. All right, and then we're gonna take our scored turkey legs and just kind of rub them in this mixture. Really kind of get it in there. Use your hands, because your hands are your best tools. And really just kind of rub it in there, get it in the crevasses. Try to use it all because it's all good stuff. There we go, now we're cracking. Kind of just push some of it into the little valleys. So that's the good part. Rub it into the meat itself. Try not to shake it loose, so be delicate. Don't shake it off, shake it off. Sorry, Taylor Swift. All right, kind of unceremoniously, but these turkeys deserve it. Let's go put them in the smoker. I'm gonna put them right on the smoke. Have fun, boys. We're going to take our stock, simply strain it out. Fish those chunks out there. Apologize for spilling a little bit. And you are ready to rock. Good crawfish stock. All right, you're gonna take your cornbread and just kind of crumble it up in the pot with your spoon if it's still hot, or with your hands if it's not. You want it crumbled up pretty good, but not in a complete dust. I'd say medium light chunk, kind of like me. Medium and slightly chunky. All right, now we're gonna take some butter, about 2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna add our vegetables here unceremoniously. All right, now that we have our vegetables properly seasoned off, we're going to add our crawfish and give them a good toss. We're gonna add our Louisiana Lightning. We're gonna add our wonderful crawfish stock. Big pat of butter. Let that melt. Now, as soon as that butter's melted, we got our cornbread right here, crumbled up, and we got a nice baking dish. Make sure you have an oven-proof baking dish. This is a beautiful Le Creuset. Add your cornbread. Give it a good toss. Plop it in baking dish. Boom, 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 boom. Give it a little pat. Make sure it's all nice and snug. Kind of tuck any of the crawfish sticking outside kind of in. Make sure it's even. I'm gonna pop this in the oven about 10-15 minutes, just because everything's in here is cooked actually, but we're just gonna cook it off to brown the edges a bit. All right, we pulled our turkey legs out, nice and crispy. Got our wonderful crawfish cornbread dressing. This is my mother's recipe, so thank you, Mama. And I'm Isaac Toups, here with Spiceology, cooking your favorite holiday meal. Enjoy.